A dependent care reimbursement account is a tax-advantaged account that allows you to set aside a portion of your earnings to pay for qualified dependent care expenses with pre-tax money. Payroll deductions deposited to your account occur on a pre-tax basis, decreasing your taxable income. You can use funds in your account to pay for certain expenses to care for dependents that live with you while you're at work. This includes dependent children up to age 13, as well as senior citizen dependents that live with you, such as parents. Funds cannot be used for summer camps other than day camps or for long-term care for parents that live elsewhere, such as in a nursing home. Unlike healthcare flexible spending accounts, dependent care flexible spending accounts cannot be pre-funded. You can only receive reimbursement as funds are deposited into the account. Generally, you pay for expenses as they occur and submit for reimbursement from the administrator. Reimbursement may come in the form of a check or direct deposit depending on how your account is set up. It's important to know that if you're married, both spouses must earn income in order to participate in the dependent care FSA. The only exception is if the non-earning spouse is disabled or a student. For some, the dependent care tax credit may be a better alternative than a dependent care FSA. Consult with your tax advisor regarding your specific situation. There are annual contribution limits that determine the minimum and maximum amount you can contribute to the dependent care account. You also need to re-enroll each year you wish to participate. Funds remaining in your account after the end of the plan year and any grace period, if available, are forfeited. This is known as the use it or lose it clause, so it's usually a good idea to plan your contributions so you don't have any funds remaining in your account. The Dependent Care Reimbursement Account provides an important benefit to save for dependent care expenses. There are additional requirements you need to be aware of, so be sure to review your plan materials in detail.